Alright guys, so I'm going to show you how to change your oil on a Nissan Versa hatch. So as you can see, the oil filter is right down there at the front of the engine, and your cap is right here, the oil cap. So I'm going to go ahead and raise the vehicle up. So we have right here, that's the drain plug for oil, and your oil filter is right there. Alright, so just need to get to it from the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and drain the oil out first. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and take out that, and it's going to be 14 millimeter. Already take it loose. Drain. Alright, there you go. The oil draining. I'll let it drain, then I'll move to the filter. So now it's time to put in your drain plug and tighten it. Alright. Make sure you tighten that up. Now it's time to come around here and get the filter, alright? Alright, so now it's time to take that out right there. So just go ahead and turn it like that. Alright. And set that to catch the oil. Alright, the oil is running down. Make sure you're catching that. And take it out, alright? Filter is out. Now it's time to get the new filter and put it back in. Alright, so now it's time to put in the new filter. That's right there. Just it in. Alright. I'm tightening it down, alright? Alright, so the drain plug is tight and the oil filter is tight. You just have to double check to make sure everything is nice and tight. Now it's time to lower the car and put your oil inside, alright? Alright, go ahead and lower the car to add your oil. And to fill it up, you take 3.34, sorry, 3 3/4 quarts of oil. Almost 4/4 of oil it takes, alright? So after that, you put your oil, 3 3/4 quarts of oil. You want to go ahead and crank your car, and then you check your oil, make sure it's at the correct level. If you need more, you top it off. This is good right here. Yeah, so you just crank the car, let it run for like a minute, and then come back out and cut off the car and come back out and check the oil. Alright.